Alright, this is Rideout Repairs and Renovations, LLC. We did a retaining wall this summer, and this is part of that wall. We put these lights on there. It's roughly 350 feet of wall. These are split-faced blocks, which gives them their texture. What happened was that hill there slid down into the side of the house, and so they did the repairs on the side of the house, and we built the wall to kind of prevent any more erosion up there. Beautiful land, Nashville, Tennessee. These guys have 9 acres. It basically goes all the way around the back side of their house, continues all the way to the front side of their house and their driveway. And there it is.